instead of the like CEO or the Ichizoku, I'd like to talk about the Sentry slides. And then we're about to have the quiz time. So be prepared to bring your phone because you're gonna scan the quiz and then you can join, participate the quiz game. Okay. All right. Thank you. This is just a Twitter channel running Sentry Japan. The Sentry is this year started to eager to support a lot of community or like focusing on Japanese community as well. So that's why we are here and also can have these events. So overview of Sentry. Yeah, and the quiz time and product demo. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Um, Sentry is the application which started from error monitoring. Do you guys use error monitoring application in your job? Anyone? What are you using? Sentry, thank you. Okay. Huh? Okay, thank you very much. I don't push you, okay? I didn't push you. And then also we have the performance monitoring and then release health. Release health is that you can see that any deployment, they can automatically create the like versions, and then that you can compare the which version is making more error or making less error that you can compare. Or discover and then ecosystem is that like we have the dashboard of the monitoring system, and also ecosystem is the integration with a lot of like Slack and then GitHub, which makes it easier to communicate in the team. So basically, we have this. If you have the Sentry, only you just put the SDK, and then you're gonna get alerts, and through the team you can share through using the Sentry. That makes it way easier uh, to find the alerts or to find an error to and until the solve these alerts, it makes it way faster. It means that like we focus on MTTR, if you know what it is. That we're we are this Sentry is that application focused on the MTTR. And this is an advertisement. 7th November. Do you have a calendar now? You can check this place, a timing, and the Sentry events is going on. The CRO. Do you know what is a CRO? Can you guess? No, thank you. CRO is a Chief Revenue Officer, and then you have another Sentry member, the engineering director, Indraje. Indraje is the used to be the one of their CTO that at the company which the Sentry bought before. And we have special guests as well, the Webnode CTO and then Parade engineer. So if you have any time that you can be here at the same time here. So let's start the quiz time. Get ready with your phone. If you follow the Twitter, I can give you the more stickers. These stickers only you can get. They actually imported from America, so you never find in Japan. And then this today's prize is $1 back. Yeah. Thank you. So we're gonna have the 8 questions, and if you answer faster and then correct, you're gonna get more points. And then 8 quiz, and the last 3 quizzes, you're gonna get twice more points. So get focused. So now you know the answer. Fastest, fastest, go fast, go fast, go fast. Oh, a member did answer. Yes, Sentry is a monitoring application. Let's go next. So Yosuke-san, who's a Yosuke-san? Yes, you got the best answer. I mean, the fastest answer. Thank you. Let's go next. For which type of application can Sentry be used? Desktop, mobile, web, apps of all type. Yes, Sentry doesn't choose any application that any application can use it. Thank you. So, Kotani-san. Yes. And around 800 is still very good and very fast. Okay, let's go next. What information does Sentry automatically collect? User's personal information, source code of the application, error stack trace. Is it server password? Maybe server password? Yes, Nine River. Thank you very much. We got error stack trace. Yes. Koya-san. Yes. Thank you. Okay, now we know how we play. Okay, let's go next. Which monitoring service did Sentry acquire in 2023, offering discounts to existing Sentry users? Sorry, very long. So, which means that Sentry bought this service in 2023. Oh, that was kind of difficult. So, Codecov. Do you know Codecov? Code, yes, Codecov. Yes. Someone will remember, you know. The Codecov is the application which can tell which code you didn't test. That is that Codecov. Yes, coverage. Code coverage. That's a Codecov. Yes. And Sentry bought the Codecov in 2023. So here, if you are the Sentry user, you can use cheaper price with cheaper price. Okay, thank you. So let's go next. Oh no. Oh, Shandong-san. Yeah, thank you. Okay, let's go next. We have four more questions. Which of the following is not platform that Sentry offers integration with? So it's about integration. Which one is not connected? Yes, Microsoft Paint. I never touched it and never seen it. Well, I don't know why that is. Yes, we have the Jira connection as well, and which is super good. Yes, thank you very much. And so we're gonna have another three questions, and then the points will be double. So let's get focus. Koya-san got nice points. Yes, are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Thank you. Let's go next. What does Sentry's session replay feature provide? Text chat, voice call, reproduce user relay screen, server log replay. What do you think? Very curious. Oh, four member. A lot of people thought server log replay. It actually can create reproducing the error screen, so you can see that which uh, which screen user is fairing it or the error is occurring it. So it makes it way easier to understand the situation and then how the user is touching and clicking those UI. That's the function. Okay, who got it? Ugo-san. Wow, that's a very big 1,752 points. Yes, that was so big. And then we have two more questions. Okay, let's go. What's the main benefit of integration Sentry in both front end and back end? This is kind of a difficult question. What's the main benefit using front end and back end? So which means if you're only using front end, you're missing something. Or vice versa for back end. Yes, complete error visibility across the stack. So let me show you some of the demo. If I can now show. Sorry. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So this is a demo account of the Sentry. If you have the, let me see. Let's see some issue. There's an issue here. If you never seen the Sentry, this is a the dashboard you always look at. So there is a error on the React, and let's see stack trace. This is a place that you can see the error and the exact that code that making the error that you can see. Oh, and also this was the I was talking about session replay. You can recreate the UI that which the user is varying on, and yeah, I says sorry. Oh, thank you for the yeah, thanks for the question. The question was which kind of environment or language is supporting with the session replay. Basically the session replay is on the beta uh, function, so kind of new. So we're expanding, but still like now we are almost like all of the front end languages that they can use it. So if you have the like more requirements, you can comment on the GitHub because Sentry is a OSS, so you can ask for it. Thank you very much. And sorry, the tracing. Yes, there's a trace detail. Oh, sorry, it's kind of short, but you see the error on the front end, but actually the error is coming from the back end. That's why you can see here that makes it easier to find what is our cause root core is a error. Okay, thank you. So, ready for the last question? Kotani-san, that's so strong. Okay, are you ready for the last question? Yeah. Okay, let's go. What does Sentry suspect commits feature show? Unauthorized user access, code changes that might make cause errors, security vulnerabilities, performance bottlenecks, suspects commits. I showed it just right before. Yes, almost all the member got it. Thank you. Code changes that make cause errors. I don't really need to show it, but yeah, that was it. This is the suspect comments. So you can see they're suspecting these comments are error, and also the suspect comments is who are the commenter that you can see. Yeah, with the name. Sorry. Well, it's not like oh, you did it. No, it's just more like um okay, and that makes it easier to uh commenter or to fixer to set, set to set if it's in a big company because it's gonna be very traumatized or to find that someone can handle it. So you want to know the points? Done. Joseph. Ah, you got it. And then last one. This was an old question. You need to you need to you don't need to count your points. It's gonna be in the total. Let's see. Uh, done. Koya-san, 9,000 points. Wow, that's way more. Okay, so Koya-san is winner. So you can get the total back, and other member Sean Down, sorry, Xiaodong, Xiaodong, and then Ugo-san can I can give you some stickers. All right. Thank you very much. That was it. That was it from me. S. Anyone want to have a question? I would like to have any question. I'd like to answer any question. Yes, Joseph. Low? Ah, thank you very much. The question was, what kind of role of the member should use a Sentry? Learn it. Even master. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you very much. The Sentry is focused on for developer. So developer happiness is a more focused thing from Sentry. So basically, the if you're using Sentry, maybe you don't need a QA team. You don't need a QA team. That way, it makes it easier to communicate each other, or like making a list, or like which error is not hindering. That makes it way easier to show for the team. But I would say, yeah, QA team will master be master of the Sentry. Yeah. Thank you very much for the question. Thank you. Anyone, any other member want a question? Have a question? Okay. Right. Thank you very much. Give me any pros. Yes. So next top, uh, last talk from Yori-san. Yori, Yori. And then after this Yori speak, we're gonna have the like small pizza and then drink time. So let's get prepared, or stick to your hunger.
Hello everyone. Uh, I will LT for the first time. I, today talk about is how to survive as a freelance engineer. Okay. My name is Makoto Katayori. Currently, currently I am a freelance engineer. I have been working as an engineer for 5 years. My specialty is the front-end development. What kind of engineers will survive? High technical skills, communication skills, they are all important. So, what the essence of surviving engineers? It's about being attractive engineer. Now let me talk about the points I believe are necessary to be attractive. First, let's talk about skills. Having high level skills is important. The method to acquire high level skills is very simple. That can be solved through hard work. If someone else in this world can do it, so can you. If you keep at it until you succeed, you eventually to be able to do it. Most problems can be solved through hard work. The next theme is about the working environment. There are mainly two options: working in an office or remotely. Which one is more suitable for becoming an attractive engineer? In my opinion, I think working in an office is better. The reason is they are pet at home. The fewer options, the better. Next, let's talk about communication. For freelance engineers, building a good relationship of trust with client is very important. What are some ways to build a good relationship of trust? It's about drinking alcohol. Drinking alcohol together can be help build a good relationship. Many engineers are fond of drinking. When you drink together, you can become like brothers. Okay. Let's actively participate in drinking parties. Next, let's talk about finance. For freelance engineers, improving financial knowledge is also extremely important. I'd like to introduce what I've found to be crucial in finance. It's about spending generously. When you're worried about next month's payments, you can work harder. Consequently, you have no choice but to earn through work. The fewer options, the better. An engineer's work is very enjoyable. It satisfies your sprint of inquiry and curiosity, and it makes users happy. By enjoying your work, you can achieve good performance. Let's become attractive engineers while having fun. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. That was a very funny talk. And if you want to become a brother of him, you can drink with him now after this. And also, as I'm an engineer, freelance engineer as well, so I want to talk a lot of things. But like, since we are on the YouTube, so I want you to ask some not too deep question now. Does anyone have a question to him? I want to have a question. Why you wanted to be freelance engineer? Why you became a freelance engineer?
I I want a lot of money.
Okay. So it sounds like he's rich, and then you're also the freelance engineer. He said the freelance engineer is earning a lot of money. Sorry. Yeah. Oversee. Hmm. Mm. Yeah. Thank you very much. He said that yeah, like getting a contract with the another country's company is way easier to as a freelance. But no. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I say. Really? Really? Yeah, I say. Freelance. I see. So he became a freelance because the company told that like you're not able to work from another country in that. in that in as a session? I'm very curious because I used to work in a Rakuten, and there were several of the member working from Taiwan or China. Yeah, yeah. Let's talk about. All right. Thank you very much for the question. Thank you. Please give me his first presentation. Thank you. So we're gonna have the end of the small talk, and then we're gonna have the pizza time. So get ready. Oh, you wanna prepare? Okay. Okay. Have you learned something today? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Here we go.
All right, this is the ending. So once again, thank you for attending the English only writing talk event. And so we hope that you find this presentation informative and enjoy the opportunity to engage with other engineers. And plus, so we'd like to say a big thank you for to the speaker, to the sponsors for the contribution of so financial support and live streaming support and venue support. All right, we'd like to appreciate the contribution. Thank you. And so personally, I'd like to thank you, all of you, for the enthusiastic participation. Thank you. All right. So this is the end of our LT session. And so I'd like to let you know the new information for the futures event, Japanglish Tech Talk 4. This will be held so in January 2025, so next year. Yeah. So I hope so you will attend the event, upcoming event. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So we are changing. What we are changing is we're going to have the each of the season event. So 3 months each in a year. So our next one will be in the winter. We're gonna see you in the winter. And sorry for the inconvenience of the drinks is not too cold. I'm sorry. And but we're gonna have the great time, and then we can be brothers finally. And we are gonna be finishing at 9:30, so we have like 55 minutes to become nice brothers. Okay, and as at the last, we're gonna have a little a picture on here after the pizza. So let's get together. Huh? Yes, have a drinking party. Thank you very much.